Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn in this video about what are text area or rich text fields in the Salesforce. But before that, let me give you a recap of what is Salesforce. Salesforce is basically a customer relationship management tool. It helps businesses build better relationships, improve customer service, close more deals, and track customer activity. Now, let's move to the practical part. If we click on the gear button on the right side of the page layout, then we will see the option setup. We have to click it. Go to the object manager. We will write student and it will appear. And then we have to click student. Here I will click on the fields and relationship in the left hand menu and then click new button over here to create a custom field. We can create different fields with different data types. And again, we will choose text area rich. So basically, this data types allows you to store the data in the bold format or italic format or bullet points, anything. You can do it from here. You can label, for example, student bio. You can label it, for example, student bio. Now I wanted to say student bio. You can choose the length. You can choose the descriptions. You can choose the visible lines. For example, how many lines you wanted to show. And then, do you want to add this field into your reports or not? Then next. Now, obviously, again, visibility, to whom you wanted to show or not. And then if you wanted to add it on your page layout. That's it. Now if we will go and refresh. If we will click edit and then you will see the student bio. You can like add the rich text over here. So now, because we have learned about how to make rich text area in the Salesforce and what is the purpose of it, we will move forward to our next topics, and we will explore different text types in the Salesforce. So we will click on the new button in the Salesforce. You have to go to the fields and the relationship and click new again. And you can see different type of text over here. So we will discuss each types one by one. Text is the simple format where we are allowed to enter numbers and letters. Text area basically allows users to add up at least 255 characters. Text area long. Text area long is basically allows user to enter up the data or characters almost till 1,31,7,200 characters on separate lines. We have already discussed and made text area rich. Text encrypted. What is this? This field encrypts the data, making it unreadable to unauthorized users even within the Salesforce. So now we will move forward and I'll let you know how we can make text area or text area long or text encrypted in the Salesforce. The procedure is the same, just like text area rich or text. I will give you another demo how to create it. So we will click on the text area long. So I'm going to create this one. And then we have to click next. And then enter any field name, which I will choose student description. Obviously, if there will be any description you wanted to add, you can just choose text area long because it allows you to enter 1,32,000 characters on separate lines. You can add description, help text, anything. If you don't want to, just leave it like this and then next. Now you can see the visibility. If you wanted to allow these users to see this field or not, you can choose it from here. Select or deselect. It's either your choice. Then next. And if you wanted to add this field in the page layout, select or deselect. I wanted to add it in the page layout, so I'm selecting it and then save. Going back to the home page, we will refresh the page and then we will be able to see our custom field, which is student description. This is the difference between text, text area long, and rich text area. Now, I hope you will be able to understand the difference between text, text area, and rich text fields. That is it for today. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care.